So this company, Sertec, is a tier 1 automotive supplier with a tooling operation in China. They have over 15 years experience in the automotive industry. They've got 6 manufacturing sites here in the UK, 2 in Europe, plus a UK distribution centre, and more than 2,000 employees. As we know, risk is something businesses need to mitigate against on a daily basis. And Sertec realised that as they grew, the risk of managing their own EDI in-house gave cause for concern. So what they did was they stepped into a fully managed EDI service, and that they saw as quite a simple decision. So Data Interchange handled error messages, alerting, managing all day-to-day EDI solutions for Sertec, while Sertec focus on their own core manufacturing business. Data Interchange teams handle day-to-day transactions. They do EDI files between Sertec and their customers and suppliers. And at the moment, Data Interchange are working with Sertec to onboard over 180 suppliers to DiNet, ensuring full EDI adoption. But what did Sertec actually gain by moving from something in-house to an outsourced managed service? They've quantified that, and they actually believe that they gained 28 hours a day from not focusing on EDI and actually focusing on their own core business. And what did they actually achieve in doing that? They had a business growth in over 10 years of 564%. Kevin there at Sertec mentioned that their entire transaction phase was handled perfectly with no disruption at all, and all the critical customer schedules. So what Sertec found, that moving to a managed service handled with ease, with no disruption to their daily customer connections. And as we've mentioned, their business growth was quite impressive. So in 2013, Sertec recorded in excess of 137 million turnover. And then in 2019, with 6 years of our EDI managed service in their solution, Sertec reached 265 million turnover. So their EDI journey was probably, I would say, quite a common one, and something I probably see regularly. So first, the need for Sertec to take up EDI was actually driven by a key customer, and that customer was Ford. And they began that very basic EDI journey with us. Experience rapid business growth. One of the things I would say I tend to notice is many businesses who start small, like a Ford, trading just with a Ford. Many years later, working with those businesses, you realise they're now trading with 5, 6, 7, or even more trading partners, because they've become quite attractive to the marketplace, already having EDI in place. It means they can support their own business relationships with their customers very swiftly and very effectively in a very speedy manner. So Sertec's growth, as we said, was very rapid, and this really meant that they needed to scale their system because things became more complex. Data Interchange provided a managed EDI service to support their transformation. And then now in 2019, when we've been working with them, Sertec have a fairly mature EDI setup and have grown to 2,208 employees. However, they're still looking to improve through driving benefits of EDI, and this is now looking downstream to their own supplier base. And we're engaging them in that process at the moment to get their EDI fully up and in with their suppliers as well as their customers.